Greeting cosmic enthusiasts. Today we're venturing on into the realm of ancient mythology and the celestial beauty as we explore a star that has captivated humans for millennia, Aldebaran, also known as Alpha Tauri. Join us on a cosmic quest as we uncover the fiery eye, cultural significance, and intriguing characteristics of the majestic star in the constellation Taurus. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic revelations. Let's begin. Imagine gazing at the night sky and being drawn to the captivating glow of Aldebaran. This brilliant star, located at the Eye of the Bull in constellation Taurus, has earned its place on one of the most brightest visible stars from Earth. Its distinctive appearance and the role in its mythological narratives have made it a star of fascination and wonder. Aldebaran's warm orange-red color sets it apart from the celestial panorama. This coloration indicates a cooler surface temperature between other stars, making it a red giant. Its luminosity and visual allure have inspired artists and stargazers alike, contributing to its status and cosmic masterpiece. Aldebaran's position in the constellation Taurus has led to its association with various mythological narratives across the cultures. In Greek mythology, it represents the fiery eye of the bull that Zeus transformed into. Similarly, in other cultures, Aldebaran has been tied to legends and celestial bulls and cosmic cycles, showcasing the powerful roles stars play in shaping our cultural imagination. Aldebaran's relatively close proximity to Earth, about 65 light-years away, has made it a target for scientific study. Astronomers have observed Aldebaran to better understand its characteristics, evolution, and potential influence on its surrounding environment. Its relatively advanced stage of cellular evolution provides valuable insights into the life cycle of stars. Aldebaran's status as a red giant leads to its outer layers expanding and cooling, resulting in a captivating color in its luminosity as we observe. This transformation also affects the star's atmospheric composition and interaction with its surroundings, offering scientists a window into an incessant process shaping the universe. Aldebaran continues to inspire cultural expressions and artistic interpretations. From the literature and music and beyond, its radiant presence serves a muse for creative minds. Its connection to myth and mesmerizing appearance in the night sky reminds us of the profound impact that celestial objects have on human culture and creativity. And there you have it, cosmic dreamers. Aldebaran, the fiery eye of Taurus, captivates us with its brilliance, color, and mythological allure as we gaze upon the celestial masterpiece that celebrates the connection between the cosmos and human imagination and the enduring stories that stars inspire. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more celestial wonders. And to our next voyage through the cosmos, keep your eyes on the radiant stars above.